is your go-to channel for the latest automobile updates, car reviews, and industry insights. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Swift has arrived with significant upgrades in design, performance, and technology, making it a compelling choice for hatchback enthusiasts. This new generation of the Swift features a bold and modern exterior with a redesigned front grille, sleeker LED headlamps, and sportier bumpers, giving it a more dynamic road presence. The sculpted body lines enhance aerodynamics, while the dual-tone roof options add a premium touch to the overall design. The alloy wheels get a fresh design, contributing to its sporty appeal. Inside, the 2025 Swift boasts a refreshed cabin with premium materials and advanced technology. The dashboard layout is more driver-centric, featuring a larger touchscreen infotainment system with seamless smartphone connectivity, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument cluster is now semi-digital, providing vital driving information with improved clarity. The new Swift offers a more spacious cabin, ensuring better comfort for passengers, especially in the rear seats. The seats are well cushioned, with improved lumbar support, making long drives more comfortable. The steering wheel gets a sporty flat-bottom design, and premium variants offer leather-wrapped upholstery for an upscale feel. Under the hood, Maruti Suzuki introduces a new generation petrol engine that delivers a perfect balance of power and efficiency. The improved tuning ensures better fuel economy while enhancing the overall driving dynamics. The engine is paired with both manual and automatic transmission options, catering to different driving preferences. The car's lightweight yet robust platform contributes to better handling and stability, ensuring a smooth and confident ride. Additionally, the suspension setup has been fine-tuned to offer improved comfort on uneven roads while maintaining the Swift's signature agility. Maruti Suzuki has also prioritized safety in the 2025 Swift with a range of advanced features. The hatchback now comes with 6 airbags in higher variants, along with electronic stability control and hill hold assist. The updated platform enhances crash safety, and the car meets the latest safety norms. The inclusion of a 360-degree camera in top trims aids in better visibility while parking. Other features like ABS with EBD, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and rear parking sensors further enhance safety. The build quality has been improved, aligning with Maruti Suzuki's commitment to offering safer cars. In terms of features, the new Swift gets an upgraded infotainment system with wireless connectivity options. The touchscreen is now more responsive, providing an intuitive user experience. Voice commands and connected car technology allow users to control certain functions remotely. Climate control has been enhanced with better cooling efficiency, and rear AC vents ensure passengers remain comfortable during long journeys. The car also offers a premium sound system in top variants, delivering an immersive audio experience. Fuel efficiency remains a key highlight of the 2025 Swift, with Maruti Suzuki optimizing the powertrain for better mileage. The lightweight body structure and advanced engine management system contribute to lower fuel consumption, making it one of the most economical cars in its segment. The brand continues to offer its trusted smart hybrid technology in select variants, providing an extra boost in efficiency. The CNG variant is expected to follow, catering to buyers looking for an even more economical alternative. The new Swift retains its fun-to-drive nature, with responsive steering and an engaging driving experience. The improved insulation reduces cabin noise, ensuring a quieter and more refined ride. The hatchback continues to be a city-friendly car with its compact dimensions, making parking and maneuvering effortless. Highway stability has been improved, making it a more confident performer on long drives. Customization options allow buyers to personalize their Swift with different accessories and styling elements. Maruti Suzuki offers a range of factory-fitted features and optional extras to cater to individual preferences. The brand's strong service network and affordable maintenance costs add to the overall value proposition of the car. With its stylish design, improved features, better safety, and enhanced efficiency, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Swift continues to be a top contender in the hatchback segment. It caters to a wide audience, from young buyers looking for a sporty and practical car to families seeking a reliable and economical daily driver. The combination of Maruti Suzuki's trusted reliability, advanced technology, and strong resale value makes it an attractive choice. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the new Swift, make sure to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting automotive content.